हेलो, नमस्कार, गुड आफ्टरनून। मैं शरद गोयल रायपुर से। ये मेरा तीसरा वीडियो है कोविड-19 की चलती हुई स्थिति के समय में। मैं आपको याद दिलाऊं, मैंने इससे पहले एक वीडियो में कहा था कि द कोविड-19 हैज़ टॉट अस few important things, and one important thing out of those is resource management or the management of resources. One important lesson which this problem, this endemic, or you may call pandemic, has brought to the entire world is how do we do the management of our resources. Let us start from our home. You must have seen all the people, all of us, I would say, have bought a lot of things which we have not been utilizing since many months or maybe a year. Now, in the wake of COVID-19, when you cannot go out, these things are still lying at home, especially things which are connected to the kitchen and eatables. Maybe few of them also expired. So this endemic taught us you need not buy things and accumulate. Or if you have things which are not yet expired, eatables, kitchen articles, kitchen or cooking items, all of us must have used them. This situation tells us that everything has a use. Or buy less, unnecessary, do not buy things. The management of resources especially also applicable to the companies who are manufacturers like aluminium, power, steel, that consumptions of everything which produces a final product like steel or maybe power. Power needs coal, steel needs many things, sponge iron plus many more things. The specific consumptions of those items must be kept less, because in such situations raw materials will be difficult because of the logistics difficulties in the entire world. It may not come in time to your site. So all the engineers, all the process people must look into very deeply how we can use less of raw material and produce more. It means your efficiency of the process has to go very high. This idea is applicable same way as it is applicable in the home. So please make sure the people who are in the manufacturing business that specific consumptions of every raw material, especially which are not easy to procure or not easy to get properly to your work site through the good logistics. And this condition is going to remain till the time our country settles down, even if the COVID-19 lockdowns are open and government gives you all liberty. Third important thing, I was listening to the WHO report. It is said that maximum number of people in India or in the entire world, I would say, when they are free of COVID-19 virus infections, this virus can stay in various clusters in various places. So stray cases will keep coming. So to me it looks that important thing is to still maintain social distancing and to say namaste to all of you. So please wait for my next points in the wake of COVID-19. Thank you very much. All the best. Stay safe, stay protected, maintain social distancing and follow all the guidelines of Government of India. Thank you very much.